Hi students, let's look at question 3 on page 93. So for this question here, right? So the first part they ask you to find out what is term number 4. So before you can find out what is term number 4, you need to find out what is the rule first, or what is the pattern. So for this case, right, I noticed that for the first number in the expression here, it always starts with the same number as the position, and I square it out. So that means for my fourth term, or the fourth number in the sequence, I will have a 4 square over there. And for the next number, I notice that the next number in the expression seems to follow some pattern here. So 4, 8, 12. Does this numbers here ring a bell to you? Okay, so if you notice, these are all multiples of 4. So that means for my fourth term, it will be 4 times 4. So when I add 16 plus 16, it'll give me 32. So this is correct. So when I want to write my general expression, right, Tn, it will be the position of the number square. So in this case, I'm written is as n. So it will be n square. And since my multiple of 4, it starts from, so 4 equals to 1 times 4, 8 equals to 2 times 4, and 12 equals to 3 times 4. That means when it's the n term, it will be n times 4, which is 4n. Okay, so this is a right expression, but we need to simplify it further. So we must remove the bracket and multiply it out. So this should be the final answer, 4n. So n bracket 4 means n times 4 will give you 4n. So when I was marking some of your work, some of you didn't simplify expressions here. So you must write as 4n. So please take note. Okay, so for the last part, so since you have found out the expression in part 2, the last part just asks you to find the 50 term in the number sequence. So how do we find? So we replace all the n here with 50. So let me show it to you. So I replace all my n with brackets and I put in 50, which is what Kate has done over here. So once you key in your calculator, you'll get term 50, the 50th term is equals to 2700. So that's it for this question. If you have a question, ask. Thank you.